Unit 4.4, question 2. A student exerts a force of 72 newtons along the handle of a lawnmower to push it across the lawn. Find the horizontal component of this force when the handle is held in an angle with a lawn of 60 degrees, 40 degrees, and 30 degrees. So we see this person here, he's pushing this lawnmower, and that's the force being exerted. If we reference this right triangle here, the force being exerted is on the hypotenuse, and we're trying to find the horizontal force, which is the adjacent. So we're going to work on question A, and what's given to us is angle of 60 degrees. The hypotenuse is equal to 72 newtons, and we're trying to find the adjacent, which is the horizontal force. So we're going to use this formula. Cosine of theta is equal to adjacent over hypotenuse. And this is a shorthand way of writing it. So we want to get adjacent on one side. What we're going to do is we're going to multiply both sides by the hypotenuse, and this cancels out, and it will give us adjacent is equal to the hypotenuse times cosine of theta. And we plug in our numbers, and adjacent is equal to cosine of 60 degrees times 72 newtons. And the cosine of 60 degrees, if you punch it in your calculator, is 0.5 times 72 newtons, which is equal to 36 newtons. And make sure your calculator is set to degrees and not radians. And if you follow those steps for question, and if you follow those steps and do them for question B and C, it's exactly the same way as how we would do the B and C. So we rearrange the formula. Adjacent is equal to cosine of 40 degrees times 22 newtons, which gives us 0.76 times 72 newtons, which is equal to 55 newtons. And that's for B. And for C, again, rearrange the formula. Adjacent is equal to cosine of 30 times 72 newtons, and that gives us 0.86 times 72 newtons, which is 62 newtons.